How to find and sync contact on Instagram. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To find and sync contact on Instagram, go ahead and tap open your Instagram application. So right over here, you need to make sure to log in into your Instagram account if you have not yet. Once you have successfully logged in, at the bottom right corner, you will see a profile icon. Tap on here. Then click on the three horizontal line that is at the top right corner. From here, you need to check out the account center. In the Meta Account Center, scroll down and under Account Settings, navigate to the option of Your Information and Permission. There you will see Upload Contact button. Click on it. Then select on your Instagram application. Now to connect and sync your contact on Instagram, you need to toggle on this button right over here. Once the connection has been connected, it will find and sync based on your phone number or the email address that you have added on your Instagram. So this is how you can easily find and sync contact on Instagram. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.